So in conclusion, I wanted to remind myself and you that now that we live this life in this world, this very corrupted world today, nowadays especially, with all this fitna and trouble and problems in the world, I want to repeat, to help us in our amal, because Allah is saying best in good deeds, because we don't know when we will die. You know, last night I was mentioning to the people, to our brothers and sisters here last night, that it's very interesting that when someone reaches, well, with due respect to everybody who over 80 here, I know we have one or two over 80. Allah has blessed you to be over 80. They call that bonus, barakat time. You get more miles, more points, more years to make tawbah, to make zikr, give charity, and do more deeds. You're blessed.